The SUMMIT Appliance 21-inch electric cooktop offers a compact two-burner layout that fits neatly into smaller kitchens, apartments, and auxiliary cooking spaces without feeling cramped. Its design allows installation in either a vertical or horizontal orientation, so you can position the controls where they are easiest to see and reach for your particular counter layout. The combination of a stronger 7-inch coil element and a smaller 5 1/2-inch element handles everything from large stockpots to modest saucepans with steady, reliable heat. Simple push-to-turn knobs, paired with clear indicator lights, make it straightforward to operate while adding an extra layer of safety for households that need accessible controls. The stainless steel surface gives the cooktop a clean, professional look and makes it much easier to wipe away spills and splatters after cooking. Its low-profile height and built-in friendly dimensions help it integrate smoothly into existing cutouts, making this a practical upgrade for older countertops or compact remodels.